Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in the mini world CREATA game. To switch accounts, you want to tap on the settings icon, then choose account, and here tap switch account. This will return you to the login page, as you can see, and you can tap right here to switch accounts. You can pick from your already existing account or make a new one. Let's enter the other one. If the accounts have similar names at the beginning, as you can see in here, their names will be unfortunately cut off at a certain point. But you can always try just remembering the last few numbers of the user ID, as you can see here. Then once you've picked the account you want to just tap anywhere on the screen to start logging back into the game. And as you can see, we have switched the account. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.